You smell exactly like your mom does.
What does that even mean?
When she's sleeping, dude. I'm not trying to like...
What are you talking about?
When she's asleep. I'm not gonna smell her when she's awake. Hey guys, it's Tom Refurb here. We are finally doing a fastback roof conversion on Masutangu, my 65 Mustang on a 96 Civic chassis. If you think that's a bad idea, get a load of this. I found this handcrafted piece of monkey shit on Facebook Marketplace for $2,500. No! Time travel! I bought the world's worst fastback Mustang. I'm about to turn around and see it for the first time in my life. Did I make a horrific investment? There's a real possibility. This is potentially the worst body swap in the entire universe. I'm looking at the cameraman's reactions and it does not appear that it is a very nice car. Oh shit. Dude, she's mad! So this is a 65 Mustang on a Foxbody chassis. Oh my god! How's this side worse? Let's unload it and really take a gander at the most lovely body swapped fastback in the universe. Oh shit. Now that the car is off the trailer, let's just admire the really high quality work that's been done. It appears the entire car has been wrecked, especially the Fox body underneath. He was working very hard to make sure this gas cap was retrofitted. That's important. It's really sitting on the Fox body chassis, being held together with a come-along. This door has been beautifully massaged. A little bit of Bondo, we get it straight, that's fine. He sectioned the front fenders and angled them downwards so they would fit under the hood. You know, that's actually a pretty good move, really smart. My favorite personal part of it is how the body line goes down. This car is powered by a high output 5-liter and AOD automatic. It's actually complete and blown stock. It appears it has some semblance of coolant. So that means it's drivable.
What the hell?
This guy, I respect his work ethic. He was not only precise, but he was artful. Can someone hand me the back seat, please? Oh yes, of course. Why, thank you.
Wow.
Very nice. Does it start? Dude, that's awesome.
Sounds good. Is there like 4 helmets here at least?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
We got a rad cap, we got the hood down, we got seats bolted down, so viewer, we have safety at the top of our minds right now. When you get a fastback that runs and drives, you take it for a spin.
You go out and drive it.
Let me warm it up a little bit. Just another classic Mustang being revived and driven on the road. Good shit still. Dude, it's not bad. So cute. Should we do a little 0 to 30 pull? Small, little baby pull. Ready to see what it's got? I'm gonna hammer it.
One more good burnout. Neutral drop this time. One more, Lane. One more. Big one this time.
I've always wanted a fastback, and this one's perfect. Should we go home?
Yes.
Okay. One more little acceleration. That was awesome.
God.
That was
Fucking cool.
This thing's awesome. Dude, it's fine. It's just the motor irritating detrimentally.
It smells like barbecue.
That was fun. This is still the worst fastback in the universe, but holy f***, is it kind of fun?
No more kisses, Bigfoot.
Oh! And we're back. As you might remember, I already have a fastback roof, and all of the necessary swap parts to put a fastback roof on Masutangu, but this one just makes more sense. This roof is gonna be easier to swap because it's already attached to a deck lid and quarter panels and a tail panel. While this is still all OEM sheet metal, it's in far worse shape than the fastback parts I bought in the last video, so I don't feel quite as bad chopping it up and putting it on a Honda. This roof is full of finger holes and whiskey dents, so it really fits the vibe of Masutangu better than the other one.
That's enough jibber jabber. Let's put this piece of shit out of its misery.
This thing's pretty messed up. I messed this thing up. This thing's messed up. Like before the fenders were aimed down and they looked wrecked, now it is wrecked. Nothing little bodywork can't fix. Let's get to work. Don't need that. Now to take all the fastback stuff off of the Foxbody. Excuse me. This come along is one of the main structural integrity points of this guy's body swap. I get a free come along though. Now I just need to cut off the only spots that they welded to the chassis, and this will be the fastest de-skinning of a Mustang in the world. Ah, I felt it pop.
Oh my God.
That's all she wrote. That's easy. Easy as pie. Get her out. De-Foxbodified. De-Foxbody-bodified. De-Fastback Body Foxbodified.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Woo.
This guy really cut this Fox body up like this and said, you know what? That's good enough. I'll just drop the car on this. This is a really good chassis to put a fastback roof on. Yeah. The fact that it was very clearly wrecked. Yeah, no problem. No problem. He just did some, he made space for it, you know? Just an all-around creative guy, a fabricator, an artist. owned, never abused. Very clean. V8 engine. I missed a truck, but that far. Lower, sir. We'll put that roof right where the old Chevy's sitting. Cut it up. Say goodbye to Masutangu as a coupe. Everyone gives me a hard time for the bars coming through the windshield, so we're gonna take care of them. Let me once again say, I'm not doing this the proper restoration shop way. I'm literally gonna cut the roof off along the top of the quarters all the way up to the edge of the door, do the same to the fastback roof, pull this one off, pop that one off. I will fabricate a bunch of filler panels for the inner structure of the car, but the actual structure is in the Honda chassis, so we're really just playing with sheet metal for looks. Ugh. There we go. Coupe window assemblies. We got the Celebrity Choice Award from the first Carlisle. Aww. Fuck you. There we go. Oh, I welded them so they can't come apart. Ha. Waka 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 waka. That was kind of satisfying. We're gonna cut it right along the top edge of the windshield because the windshields on the fastbacks and coupes are the exact same thing. I'm making my own windshield anyway, so who cares? Bye-bye, bars. This is getting to be awful flimsy. Now the roof is ready to come off. First things first, windshield. I'm leaving plenty of room for error, so I'll have a lot to work with the other roof. I'm gonna cut right on this edge here. Once again, not doing it right. Don't tell me I'm doing it wrong, because I know. It's a rat rod. I want to maintain as much patina as I can. Last cuts, the actual roof to quarter panel. Last one. The roof is now cut off of Masutangu. Take the roof off. All right, you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, up.
I'm not lifting my side. What's wrong?
The roll bar. Oh! Let's put it under the roll bar. Ready? That's so much nicer.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
We got the drop top Masu. What? We're still close. Somewhat, kinda. This is awesome. Masutangu. Selling one Masutangu coupe roof. $10,000 or best offer. Now I will take care of the roll bar that everyone hates. Bye-bye. Now we have the fastback roof. We're gonna do pretty much the same thing to it. I'm gonna cut it just outside of the body line. If all goes well, this thing's just gonna You know what I'm saying? Just need more sound effects.
It's gonna what?
It's gonna. It's gonna. Let me pause for a second. Before you get really mad and you're wincing that I'm cutting apart a fastback roof, let me show you a few things about this one. Come here. Horrific dent, rust holes. The entire thing is incredibly thin and has rust holes, a lot of them that have been bondoed through.
Give me that camera.
The inner structure is very crunchy and crumbly. You can see there's some more pinholes, more crumbly crunchies. So if you're really bothered by this, just think about how much energy it would be to pretty much reskin and restructure the entire thing for it to be usable on a restoration project. Yeah, baby.
Okay.
I'll catch you guys later. I'm going for a drive. Oh shit. Man, that was a lot of work, guys. Thanks for watching this week. I'll see you soon when Masutangu is actually all back together. No more kisses, Bigfoot! Why do the best dreams always gotta end so soon?